beautiful peeps. I'm with my daughter. So we're going to the grocery again because we forgot the food for Hershey. See you there. Please follow her YouTube channel as well. I'll put the link below, okay? Not potato corner. Avocado shake. Mineral water to ginamit nila. Fresh. 35 pesos. Nanood din po ako ng vlog ng Bex Battalion. Lang maglaba ng mga uniform ng anak ko. Oh, somebody is knocking the door. And who is she? It's Hershey's. Go up. Up. Go up. Hershey. Hersh. Aww. Up on the bed. Hershey.
Oh,
Up on the bed, Hershey. Hello guys. Ito po yung ano namin. Number 1 Panday. Small but terrible. Magaling yan. Ito po yung ano niya, i-fix niya. Yung pang ganun para ano siya, soft siya pag open and out. May ginawa din siya sa taas. Nilagyan niya lang yung barrier yung sa shower para yung tubig hindi magano. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Sinigang, pork sinigang. Fried fish for Sunday stuff. He's also doing his everyday plantito. Yes, my love?
Yeah, making a mess for Mayette to clear the jungle.
This is our little garden. Mark did this one, the train.
This
And
bougainvillea needs to go in the
bougainvillea,
front and the sun. Look at it.
The bougainvillea. Here's the sandpaper. This is called sandpaper because of this texture of the leaf. Similar to sandpaper. So yeah, it flowers. It flower like once a month. Yeah, that's it. This used to be a nice set of what do you call this? Garden with a palm tree, but then it dies. Still owe you guys a house tour, but soon maybe. Please bear with us, okay? Kitchen. So, ito rin yung ginagawa niya, guys. He's fixing the floor because ang tawag nito? Bumabaha or yung tubig pumupunta dito. So, he can do everything kasi experienced ito siya. Yes, shadow to siya. To our Hershey! Hershey! Speak pa lang na! Speak! Ay! He's eating my sinigang. Ito na po yung progress na ginagawa niya. Nilalagay niya ng body filler para madaling tumuyo. Kasi sira na talaga ang ano niya. Tawag nito yung wall niya kasi inanay. See? Pero nagawa niya ng paraan. Ito na po yung resulta na pinagawa ko. See? Talagang magaling si Jovi. Kudos for Jovi. So, habang hinihintay yung carpenter na matapos, I'm with Hershey. That's my son. No class today po. So, nakapang gym outfit po ako. Kasi may nilakad daw kanina. So, para ano lang, ang tawag na to, comfy lang sa mainit. Then, I'm watching TV, documentary.
And repetition. Samuel watches TV.
So, bukas po, mag-road trip po kami kasi holiday. Pupunta kami ng South. Dadalawin yung uncle namin, brother of my mom. the same time, makalabas-labas po siya dito sa bahay. So, ang tabayanan po natin, yung ganap bukas. See you! So, ayan na po yung gawa niya. He's almost done. So, we need to leave this for at least until tomorrow morning to dry enough. Kulati! Knock knock! Again! Oh, good girl. Nasa hardware ako kasi bibili ako ng grout para sa tile. Nice one. Coca-Cola picnic set. At ito yung sa may shower. Tapos na rin po. Well done.